Bimbi Aquino Yap. Abay may buwelta no na at sagot doon po sa naging statement nitong si Bossing Big patungkol kay Raisa May Dizon. So yan ang ating pag-uusapan maya-maya lang. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Of course, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video ay panoorin po muna natin ang short video clip na ito. Let's watch this.
Apo.
First case po, dapat mga 50 ka na, ha? Ito, sorry, Bimbe, ha? 50.
Eto na po.
Don't worry, Tito Vic. Rice is worth the wait.
Yeah!
Worth the wait!
Uy, wag na ko natin ituloy, bossing. Eto na po, Ate Laura, ha. Good luck sa inyo. Andito na tayo sa
Hindi pa
jackpot
usapan.
round.
Laura,
Listen up mga besties, kung akala nyo tapos na ang drama at bardagulan sa Philippine showbiz this year, nagkakamali kayo kasi right now, busy ang buong internet sa pagpila sa maybe or Bimbi and Raisa May Dizon ship. Let's go back to where it all started. Imagine nyo, TBJ's Eat Bulaga stage regular episode lang dapat. Tapos biglang nag-walk in si Bimbi Aquino Yap to surprise Raisa May Dizon. Very nostalgic throwback na sana, diba? Kasi standard, My Little Bossing 2013 core memory na naman ang ipaglalaban natin. Pero zero chill lang ang ating veteran host na si Bossing Big Soto. Out of nowhere habang nag-aasara ng buong Dabber Cats at kinikilig ang audience sa matching outfits at pa-necklace moment ni Bim, nag-drop ng strict tatay rule si Bossing Big. Oy Bimbi, hinay-hinay lang bago mo mahalikan o makis ulit yang si Raisa May, kailangan mag 50 years old muna siya kayo. Natawa ang studio, nagiyawa ng audience, standard boomer gatekeeping joke, 'di ba? Normal lang para kay Bossing na itinuturing na talagang anak si Raisa mula sa aling maliit days pa, pero hindi nagpatalo ang male Chris Aquino version. Smooth, charming, and totally unbothered Bimbi drop the ultimate line that set social media on fire. Okay lang po, Bossing. It's worth the wait naman. Excuse me, sabi niya. Worth the wait, bro. Nasaan ang oxygen? Yun yung ganoong banat mula sa isang 6 foot plus gentleman sa national TV. The internet literally collapsed. It gave pure main character energy. No notes, 'di ba? And 10-10 execution. So, para sa mga Gen Z na nakalimot na sa showbiz timeline, 2013, no, sabi let's do a quick lore breakdown. 2013 era, Bimbi was just 6 years old and Raisa May was 8 when they starred in My Little Bossing. Sila ang ultimate child star tandem noon. Dito raw nangyari ang buong bantog na first kiss scene. The 13-year separation, naghiwalay ng paths. Bibi went through a lot taking care of his mom, Chris Aquino, abroad, while Raisa grew up right in front of our eyes sa Eat Bulaga stage as a multi-talented host comedian. The 2026 comeback, reunited, it feels so good. Naging viral agad yung pa-necklace ni Bimbi, yung duet nila ng pusong bato at yung iconic remark niyang if we don't end up together, dapat ako ang ninong sa kasal niya. At ngayon, dinagdagan pa nitong It's Worth the Wait banat kay Bossing Big. The character growth, insane. The visual chemistry, surprisingly top tier. The psychology of It's Worth the Wait. Bakit raw banat ng mga lalaki to? Now, let's dissect the real question na pinag-aawayan sa TikTok comment section. Bakit ba gustong-gusto ng mga babae na naririnig mula sa isang lalaki na sila ay worth the wait? What is the science and romance behind the face? Sabi nga sa ating behavioral analysis, kapag ang isang guy, especially someone as high profile as an Aquino na nagsabing worth the wait ka, it hits entirely different. So, bakit? It kills the fast-paced talking stage anxiety. In our generation, sabi po dyan na dating is terrifying. Bilis pumasok sa talking stage, bilis din mag-ghost. Everything is fast, disposable, and transactional. So when a guy tells a girl she's worth the wait, signals na talagang hindi kita mamadaliin at hindi ko maiinip. It promises patience in a world that it's obsessed with an instant gratification. So ano nga ba yung ultimate ego and value boost? High value women energy, which is the worth the wait. implies high value. Hindi ka basta-basta sidewalk snacks. Kung consider kang fine dining experience, it means the guy acknowledged that good things take time and you are trophy not because of ownership but because of respect intentionally. So, sabi dyan, casual dating Gen Z are tired of see where it goes energy. When Bimbi dropped that line, it radiated purity of intent. It means he isn't playing games. He values the person enough to respect boundaries. Even if it is 50-year-old joke from Bossing Big, yung kilig matrix nila, 'di ba? Babakbakan kung babakbakan. Pero bakit nga ba kinilig ang buong bansa sa response ni Bim? Let's check the criteria using the Gen Z kilig. Sabi dito, what are the factor or what happened, no? Sabi dito na yung rating respect sa elders, hindi siya maging bastos kay Bossing Big. Ride on lang siya sa joke in a very polite way. Kumbaga, kung magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na parang percentage is 100 over 10 slay. Yung kanilang giving the necklace, putting it on her life on set, praising her consistently through the years. Green flag yon para sa lahat, 'di ba? Yung kanyang pagiging yung kanyang banter, quick-witted response to the unexpected joke, 10 by 10 main character daw yon, sabi ng ilang mga netizen. So, bakit nga ba laging nag-i-equate ang rise sa Bim sa Aldab? People are literally comparing this maybe tandem to the early days of Aldab, which is Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza back in 2015. And honestly, valid ang comparison. Unscripted magic, parehong hindi pilit, walang script writing team na nagfo-force sa kanila, bigla ang reunion lang na nag-click sa mga tao, opposite attract. You have Raisa, the street smart, hilarious grounded queen of daytime TV, and you have Bimbi, the tall, soft-spoken, articulate Konyo Prince with a heart of gold. The contrast makes the chemistry pop, nostalgia factor. Lumaki ang sa Pinas na nakikita silang dalawa. Watching them interact now feel like childhood. 'Di ba? Friends to lovers, troop storyline writing itself, 'di ba? So, are they actually dating? Yun ang tanong ng ilan. Sabi po ng ilan na parang nandun na ba talaga sila sa stage na kung saan sila po ay nagde-date na at nagkakaroon na ng getting to know each other. Sa akin pong pagkakaunawa is sa mga panahon na to, parang nandun pa lang sila sa stage na parang magtropa sila, magkaibigan, na mga dating child star partners pa lang sila who are reconnecting their lost friendship. Pero that's the beauty of showbiz entertainment. Bimbi knows how to play the game and Raisa knows how to bounce back off the humor, whether it's just pure TV banter or the start of legendary showbiz love team comeback. One thing is for sure, Bimbi Aquino just raised the bar for how guys should respond to protect yung pagiging protective father figures on national television. Kayong mga marites, handa na ba kayo na mag-manifest or maging delulu, sabi dyan? Kayong mga na 50-year-old sila or delulu station na agad tayo bukas. Manifesting more, maybe guesting soon. Stay kilig, stay hydrated, and remember, if he doesn't take your worth the weight, thank you, and then next. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dareds TV and Dareds channel. God bless everyone.